Welcome to Health and Fitness. Today, we are about to embark on a delicious and healthy journey, filled with amazing smoothies that will transform your life. If you are looking for a refreshing path to fast weight loss, boost your energy and enjoy incredible health, look no further. So if you're ready to revolutionize your lifestyle with an explosion of flavors and benefits, let's go on this journey together of delicious smoothies and health galore. Meet the diet smoothie. The smoothie diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years, it also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. The secret that makes the smoothie diet so effective is the custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. And if you want to know more about the smoothie diet, I'll leave the official website link in the description of this video so you can clear all your doubts. Spinach and avocado smoothie, rich in fiber and healthy fats, this smoothie assists in satiety, controlling appetite and providing sustained energy. Strawberry and chia smoothie. Chia is an excellent source of protein and fiber, contributing to the feeling of satiety and balance of blood sugar levels. Cucumber and lemon smoothie. Low in calories and high in water, this smoothie helps with hydration, as well as stimulating digestion and eliminating toxins. Yogurt and berry smoothie. Greek yogurt adds protein, while berries are rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. Mango and ginger smoothie. Ginger speeds up metabolism and aids digestion, while mango provides essential vitamins and minerals. Kiwi and spinach smoothie. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and spinach is a source of iron, helping to absorb this nutrient. Banana and oat smoothie. Oatmeal provides soluble fibers that help maintain satiety, while banana contributes potassium and energy. Pineapple and mint smoothie. Pineapple contains bromelain, which aids digestion, and mint helps calm the digestive system. Watermelon and flaxseed smoothie. Watermelon is rich in water and antioxidants, while flaxseed is a source of omega-3, helping to reduce inflammation. Almond and cocoa smoothie. Almonds provide healthy fats and protein, while added sugar-free cocoa powder adds flavor and antioxidants. Papaya smoothie and pumpkin seeds. Papaya is rich in digestive enzymes and fiber, while pumpkin seeds provide essential nutrients. Blueberry and spinach smoothie. Blueberry is rich in antioxidants and spinach contributes iron and vitamins, benefiting the immune system. Pear and flaxseed smoothie. Pear is rich in fiber, aiding digestion, and flaxseed contains omega-3 fatty acids. Carrot and orange smoothie. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, while orange provides vitamin C and antioxidants. Tropical fruit and coconut smoothie. Tropical fruits provide a variety of nutrients, and coconut adds healthy fats and flavor. Melon and lemon smoothie. Melon is rich in water and vitamins, and lemon adds flavor and stimulates digestion. Apple and celery smoothie. Apple is rich in fiber, and celery helps eliminate toxins and reduce fluid retention. Peach and basil smoothie. Peach provides vitamins and minerals, and basil adds flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Guava and chia seed smoothie. Guava is rich in antioxidants, and chia adds protein and fiber. Acerola and spinach smoothie. Acerola is rich in vitamin C, while spinach provides iron and folic acid. Mango and carrot smoothie. Mango is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, and carrots provide fiber and beta-carotene. Avocado and cocoa smoothie. Avocado is a source of healthy fats and vitamins, and cocoa adds antioxidants and flavor. Remember that healthy weight loss involves a balanced lifestyle that includes a proper diet, regular exercise, and mental health care. Consult a health professional or dietitian before making drastic changes to your diet.